In this video, we will show you the premium features of BCC Archive plugin. In the Archiver inbound settings, we have created two separate inbound emails. Now, in the default automated settings, you can see the inbound email address. Alert notification is selected by default. Also, the Attach in Opportunities option is selected. You can skip some sales stages if you want to. Same options are also available in the second inbound email like alert notification, attach in opportunity, etc. In the BCC Archive process audit, you can clearly see there is no record created yet. In the test account, you can see the name and email address. Also, there is no email attached to the history yet. Here, you can see the name of the opportunity and the account linked with it. There is no email attached to the opportunity as of now. Next, we will compose two test emails with account names in the To field and inbound emails in the BCC field. Now send both the emails. In the BCC Archive process audit, you can see the record associated with both inbound email addresses has been created successfully. We have also got alert notifications as soon as the records get created. Now, we'll check if the email is attached or not. For this, click on both of the sender's email addresses. Here, you can see the attached account and opportunity in both inbound email addresses. Also, at the bottom, there is a list of all targeted email addresses. Next, click on the account name and the opportunity name. In the account, you can see both emails are attached to the history. The same happened in the opportunity module, both emails are attached to the history successfully. Thanks for watching.